Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to connect SmartCom V3 with a US Air Compressor. Let's take a look. After tapping the Connect button, the app will display a device selection pop-up. After a short wait, available nearby devices will appear in the list. Tap to select the device you want to connect to from the list, then tap the OK button. If your air compressor is approaching its service due date or has exceeded the service overdue date, SmartCom will provide the corresponding reminders. After SmartCom establishes a connection with the air compressor, you can remotely start or stop the air compressor using the Start Compressor or Stop Compressor buttons. Compressor started. Now, let's try stopping the compressor. Compressor stopped. Disconnect.